Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to do a quick video to describe how we made our lat pull down bar system. All you need is a couple of pulleys. I built mine out of 2x4s and an old trampoline scrap bar. So basically we had an old trampoline. I saved all the metal. If you saw my previous video, we built a weight tree out of scrap trampoline bar, and we're going to do the same with a lat pull down bar. Let's get to it. So here's the bar. If you didn't see the last video, this is what we made from the old trampoline bar. We 3D printed some ends. That is connected to this cable that we made, and we got vinyl coated cable from Home Depot and these pulleys right here. They work really well. You gotta lube them. Make sure you spray them down with like some lithium grease or something. That's what I used on mine. That makes it much better. We put a 2x4 on top of the squat rack, bolted it in. I gotta trim those bolts off. We haven't done that yet. To hold the pulleys, our overhang is just small. It's about probably 16 inches or so off the end of each end of the rack. I use these strong tie type connectors to bolt through. I don't know if I would do this again or not. I had to bolt the pulleys to the bottom. I needed something to bolt the pulleys to, and I didn't want to go directly to the wood because it would be too low in the wood to be that supportive. I was afraid something would break. What I may consider if I ever do this again is running an eye bolt through here and then bolting the pulley through, because those were a pain to drill to get bigger holes in. So this goes along to the back, and then we built this dual 2x4 system here to where the weights are. Same thing here, the metal for the pulley attachment. So we have a pulley in the back, a pulley in the front, and we notched out our wood. And the wood's not really supporting a lot. We built a base down here for the weight to sit on. So all it does is just keep the weight in this column so it doesn't get too unruly when you pull it up and down. And how we did, everybody does this different. We tried our own on this one. Again, here's the cable portion we made where we looped it and tightened those down. That was a kit at Home Depot, pretty cheap. I think it was 15 bucks for the kit, somewhere around there. We just took a regular dumbbell bar, which makes it difficult to put the weight on and off. You got to do them both at the same time, otherwise it's just all wants to fall to one side, but it's not too bad once you get the hang of it. We use pipe strap, metal pipe strap, to make a loop around the middle of the dumbbell bar, put a little screw and nut through it, and that way we could hook our whatever you call that thing right there. I'm not sure what that thing is called, but those little clips that screw together. It's not like a carabiner or whatever they call those, because those open and close. This actually screws down on that side. You can see it better there. So we use that, and it works pretty good. Let's get a shot of it working. So there you go, guys. That's it. Pretty easy, pretty cheap. I try to get it in view. Not a bad system. I think maybe we might spend about 50 bucks on the parts. We probably bought some extra parts we didn't need because, you know, quarantine situation, we didn't want to go out to the store a lot over the weekend, and plus you got to wait in line to get in. It's not easy to shop right now for some of your projects. So pretty cheap and easy. I don't really, I mean, we just kind of winged it, and we've put 200 pounds on there, 150, over 150 pounds on there, and it holds it fine. The pulleys are rated for about 500 pounds for something. I can't remember exactly off the top of my head. So it's going to hold up well. It's going to work. So cheap, easy lat pull down, quarantine workout. That's how we made ours. Any questions, leave a comment. I'll do the best I can to answer how we came up with this. And that's all we have for today. Stay safe, be healthy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.